Hello guys, day job have a Lenovo G50-45 who is not charging. From the beginning we noticed that the cable, power cable and also the charger cable, it's damaged. You can see maybe they have a dog or a cat or something else. So you can see in the front that the charger head is flashing. Now I'm gonna use a thermal camera because this cable is damn hot. I'm using a thermal camera from the hike micro. You see that if I am moving the cable, the laptop starts to charge or stop charging. Let's see where is the problem. I'm gonna use again the thermal camera. For this I'm gonna plug the cable to the power. You see there is the hot point. Let's disconnect the power cable and cut the charger PC cable. Whoa, that cable is quite melted, so the customer got lucky because he doesn't set on fire his charger or his laptop or worse. Let's cut the bed area, solder back the cables. Use some thermo for soldering. I'm using normal colophonio and Tudor. You can see now the cable is not hot anymore. Let's make a final test. I'm gonna zoom in on the charging icon. So now the battery is unplugged. So the charger is unplugged. Now you can see the connector, it's plugged. Charger is plugged in. Another job done. Bye.